Learn how to make this dynamic opening slide in 2 minutes. Open a blank slide and delete the text boxes. Insert your image. Crop it to an aspect ratio of 16:9. Cut the image by tapping Ctrl then X. Right-click then select Format Background. Select Picture Fill then click Clipboard. Add a rectangle that covers only half of the slide. Use the ruler above the slide, position one side of the rectangle at the left edge of the slide and the other side at the center, which is marked as 0 on the ruler. Remove its outline then fill it with white. Add a text box and type your title. Increase the size, make it bold then choose a font you like. Here I used Railway Black. You can add the presenter name below the title. Now select the white rectangle and the text boxes then go to Merge Shapes and combine them. The rectangle became black so let's make it white again. Next, right-click the rectangle and add an outer shadow. Now let's bring it all to life by adding animations. Click the rectangle then add a fly-in animation. Change its direction to fly-in from left, set it to start with previous then increase the duration to 1.5. Now let's add some effects to make it even better. Click the animation pane then right-click the animation, click Effect Options, then add a smooth end at 1.2 seconds. And we are done. This way you can create a stunning title slide. Thanks for watching.